Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your GMIN examination. This question came on 26th August 2021 in shift 1. So let us see this question first. Question says a car B overtakes another car A at a relative speed of 40 meter per second. Okay, so we'll be visualizing this question. Suppose this is car B and this is car A, and car B is overtaking this car A. Okay, and car A was also moving, so it is overtaking it with the speed of 40 meter per second. So the relative speed of approach is 40 meter per second. How fast will the image of the car B appear to move in the mirror of focal length 10 centimeter fitted in car A? So that means car A has been fitted with a mirror. So obviously that mirror has to be convex mirror. Okay, in order to see the image of this car B in the mirror of car A, this has to be a convex mirror of focal length. Focal length is also given to you, which is 10 centimeter, so it would be plus 10 centimeter. Okay, and suppose its image is formed in the mirror. So this is an image formed of car B in this mirror. Okay, and it is at this point, let this distance be U, at which the image has been formed. Okay, when the car B is okay, you need to find out how far will the image of the car B appear to move in the mirror of focal length 10 centimeter fitted in the car A when the car B is at 1.9 meter away from the car A. So what would be its approaching speed? So you need to find out the approaching speed of this image as seen in the car A. So that means car A and car A and the mirror is moving with the same speed, so you can the reference frame, the frame of these two are similar. Okay, so that means if I'll find out the image, if I can easily find out the image speed with respect to mirror, that would also be considered as image speed with respect to car A, the person sitting in car A. I hope this thing is clear, because the car A and the mirror is also moving with the same speed. So we also know that, we know the expression, this change in V, see if this distance is V and this distance is U, we also know that the focal length is given by expression 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. Okay, so again if I'll differentiate it, it would be equal to minus 1 plus U minus 1. Now that if I'll differentiate it with respect to time, so what you'll be getting as? So you'll be getting as minus 1 upon F square dF by dt. So this is the expression that you will be getting, must be equal to minus 1 upon V square dV by dt plus minus 1 upon U square du by dt. So this is the expression that you will be getting. Okay, focal length of this mirror is not changing, so obviously this expression has to be 0. So, and this expression can come over here, so you'll be getting 1 upon V square dV by dt must be equal to minus of 1 upon U square du by dt. Now this is the this V has been taken, this V distance has been taken from the mirror. Okay, so the change in the value of V with respect to time will be the image speed with respect to mirror. So that would also be equivalent to the image speed with respect to car A, a person sitting in car A. So this is the expression that you need to find out. Okay, because all the distance has been measured from mirror only. So that means all the distance has been measured from car A only. Okay. So this expression is nothing but this is velocity of image with respect to mirror. Don't you think this expression? So if V square go over there, so you'll be getting as minus V square by U square. And what is change in U with respect to time? Change in U, change in this distance with respect to time is the speed which has already given to you, which is 40 meter per second. So that means with how much approach it will be approaching, with how much speed this B will be approaching A. So that means you have to find out the speed with respect to car A. So this expression is also given as this is velocity of object with respect to mirror. okay, which is also given to you, which is 40 meter. Now this expression V minus U, we already know the magnification formula. Magnification of the mirror is minus V by U. Square of these two terms would be equivalent to V square by U square, don't you think? So the value of this would be equivalent to, so velocity of image with respect to mirror would be equivalent to minus of m square velocity of object with respect to mirror. So this is the final expression that you need to learn. Okay, so this expression is very important. Okay, in most of the other questions also you will be you can easily directly apply this formula in order to get the value of image with respect to mirror. Okay, now rest everything is clear. We have to put the values and again find out the answer. Okay, so this is the expression that you need to learn. Now we'll be putting the values. Magnification formula is equivalent to, is given by f minus u. So what is focal length? It is 10 divided by 10 minus, what is u? U is 1.9 meter, because it was 1.9 meter below car A. The car B was 1.9 meter below car A. So if I'll convert it into centimeter, it would be equivalent to 190, and it has to be in negative. Okay, because the object distance is taken as negative, because the light is approaching from that end and you are moving against it. So this expression would be equivalent to 10 by minus plus, you will be getting 200. So this is nothing but 1 upon 20. So the magnification magnitude you are getting as 1 by 20. Okay, we'll be putting the values now. Minus of 1 upon 20 into 20 into 40, because velocity of object with respect to mirror is already given to you as 40. So you'll be getting as 1 upon 10, which is nothing but minus 0.1 meter. Okay, so this is the final answer that you are getting as 1 upon 0.1 meter per second. Okay, mind you, this term is nothing but it is unitless, है ना? So this term is unitless and this term is in meter per second, so the final answer has to be in meter per second. Okay, don't be confused with it, because this was in centimeter, centimeter and centimeter. So this expression would be unitless. So the magnification is always unitless. Okay, so this is the speed with which a person sitting on a car A, if sees a car B, its image would be approaching it with this much of speed. So answer is 0.1 meter per second. So the fourth answer is the correct answer that you will be getting. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.